Hi everyone, this is a red brick wallpaper I got from Amazon. I got it so to put it behind me when I film my YouTube videos. And I'm gonna show you first what comes in the box. So let's open the box. So this is the wallpaper here. So I'm gonna open it. So this is the pattern. It really looks nice. So I'm gonna put it on the closet's doors and it will hide like the closet. So let me show you the closet how it is now. So these are the original closet doors with the brown color. It's a dull color and I'm gonna brighten this color by putting the brick wallpaper on it. So let's start. So I measured the sizes that I need to cut for this wallpaper. And as you see here on the back, it has like a graduation which facilitates the cutting very much. So I cut the pieces like I want them and I installed 3/4 of them. And now I am installing the last piece and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So first make sure that the patterns are aligned here. And then you need to peel off a little bit of the back. The good thing about this wallpaper is that you can reposition it in case you put it like in the wrong place. I think it's good. Yep. So now it's good. Just push it down as you go down. Make sure there are no bubbles. And then peel off the back like this and continue putting it on, making sure that there are no bubbles. You can reposition it as much as you want. By the way, if there are some bubbles or there are some creases in the wallpaper, it's not a big deal because of the pattern of this wallpaper, they will not appear. So this here is the final result. And look how beautiful it looks. It really is very, very good. And it will give a nice touch to my YouTube videos.